Hi and welcome to episode number 606 with whatsforchow.com. In today's episode we're making the simplest crispy fried fish. The recipe cuts out all the mess usually associated with crumbed or battered foods. To start, you'll need 1 egg beaten, fine dried breadcrumbs, and salt. If you're gluten intolerant, you can substitute the breadcrumbs for cornflake crumbs, and the salt can be substituted for any seasoning of your choice. Place the fish fillets skin side down on a large platter and brush them liberally with the egg. Give them a good grind of salt or the seasoning of your choice. This is followed by a liberal sprinkling of breadcrumbs to coat the surface of the fish. Allow this to stand for 15 minutes before continuing. This gives the crumbs a chance to soak up some of the egg coating and get a good adhesion to the fish. Add 30 grams butter and 30 ml of oil to a large pan and heat this over medium-high heat. When the pan is nice and hot, add the fillets skin side up in the pan. Allow the fish to fry for 4 minutes until the coating is golden. Flip the fillets over and fry for a further 3 minutes. Flip the fillets back over for a final 60 seconds to get a super crispy crumb. Transfer the fillets to platters and serve them with the accompaniments of your choice. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again on Sunday.